So hopefully now you know what this course is all about. Let's just briefly discuss what the course is not about. So firstly, this is not like a fully in-depth course. We're going to learn all the skills needed to be a fully fledged iPhone app developer. It's really designed just to be a taster, just to see if it's something that you can do, that you want to do, that you want to develop, or perhaps it's the other way around and you think, I've had my curiosity satisfied now and I'm happy to move on and try something different. Also, at the end of this course, you'll end up with an app in the Apple App Store. To be able to do that, you need to be an Apple developer, join their program, pay your annual fee, build a great app and have it approved by Apple. So there's a lot more work involved to get an app in the App Store. But what you will have, of course, as I mentioned, is a fully working, fully functional app running on your own iPhone, which you can show to your friends and family and be really proud of. Anyway, I feel that's enough talking from me now. You probably want to get on with the course. In the next lecture there's an article which shows you all the equipment needed to build your app, the Mac and iPhone that you need. And then the lecture after that is actually a quiz which you'll need to pass before you move on to section 2. But don't worry, it's the easiest quiz in the world, I promise you that. And of course in section 2 then we'll get started building your first app, which is great. So thank you very much, and let's go on with the course, shall we? Brilliant.